what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Petagaye and I'm the cleaning mommy. In today's video, I'm giving you guys a small little grocery haul and some cleaning motivation. My kitchen was a bit messy and needed to be tidied up, and also my fridge needed to be cleaned out before I put these groceries in. So I want to give you guys some motivation to get your kitchen sorted out and also some grocery ideas if you need it. Also, this video is a collab with Taylor Christina, so make sure you guys go and check out her channel. I know you guys will love her channel as much as I do.
Hi guys, my name is Taylor Christina and I am a working single mom living in the Washington, D.C. area. My channel is all about motherhood and lifestyle, so I post a ton of motivating cleaning and organizing videos along with vlogs, DIYs, cooking videos, and so much more. So when you're done watching Petagaye's video, please stop by my channel and subscribe. I would love to have you. See you soon. Bye.
One of my favorite places to buy my groceries is Jewelry Smart Shop because you definitely get your bang for your buck. Their prices are amazing. Today I actually spent $181.41 and I did get quite a few items. I usually spend a whole lot more. So the first item I want to show you guys is the oxtail that I got, and I spent $11.19. I love oxtail and so does my husband, so we always get 1 or 2 packs. The second pack I spend $9.35. Oxtail can be very expensive, extremely expensive. So I got a bottle of cooking oil. I like to stay stocked up. I normally get like 1 or 2, which you will see the other one. And then I got some pink lemonade. Love that. My boys love that as well. I got 2 of those, and I also got the citrus punch drink. And then here you see the other oil. I do a lot of frying of stuff, so I always get a lot of oil. I need to get a hair fryer, guys. I really do. So I got my vinegar because you know your girl gotta clean her meat. And then I got some fruit punch drink. So the vinegar, I always get it to clean all my meat whenever I am cooking. Go-gurt is my boys' favorite. It always goes so fast. They absolutely love it. I also got 3 bell peppers. At Jolie's, you get 3 for $1. Amazing deal. Lately, I've been enjoying adding butternut squash to my recipes. So whenever I go grocery shopping, I always try to get some. I got some tomatoes, white grapes. I think this is called white grapes. I don't know. I'm just assuming. And then bell peppers. I got 2, the red ones, and some bananas. Not a big fan of bananas, but I try to get it. Cucumber. What do you call these? I forgot what you call these. What do you call these? Well, I got 2. I don't remember the name. I got 2 packs of bacon. We go through bacon so fast. So I told my husband to pick up 2 bacon. He got some sausage. I don't even know how to pronounce that word, so I'm not even going to try it. And then we got our favorite, the smoked sausage. Love this. Always try to get 2 or 3 packs. One of the packs I had to pull back because it was kind of open. Then I got my favorite Cheeto snacks, 2 for $1. Cannot beat that. Then I got some crab cakes for my husband. I may try for myself, but I don't know. Not my thing. And then my husband got some sesame chicken. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I tried it and I definitely didn't like it at all. We got some tomato ketchup, and then we got the Miracle Whip for my husband because I do not like Miracle Whip. I prefer my good old mayo. So I got my mayonnaise for myself. Then I got some Rotel, diced tomato and green chilies. Love these. And I love to add it to whatever concoction I'm trying to create. And I got some hot salsa. I've been loving hot salsa and chips lately. It's the bomb. Blame Chili's. I went and got Chili's and got hooked to the salsa and the chips, so blame it on them. I got some eggs, and then I got my favorite, which are mangoes sliced. I love it. Tastes so good. I got some hot dogs for the boys. As you can see, I got 3 packs, and I got the large pack because, man, do they go through hot dogs a day. My son loves hot dog for breakfast every single morning. I got some butter country spread. I never tried this one before, but the one I usually try they didn't have. Then we got some ribs. Yes, I love me some ribs. I got the pork finger ribs, and I paid $7 for this. I think this was a really good price. Then I got some hamburger buns. I did not get hamburger. I don't think I got that hamburger meat, but I got the buns, and I don't remember what I got the buns for, but it definitely wasn't for hamburgers. This shuka, or however you pronounce it, my husband got that. I don't know what that is. And then I got the boys some pepperoni pizza snacks. I was almost out of syrup for pancakes, so I got some, because your girl will forget. I got some hush puppies. Love hush puppies. I like to do that whenever I do any kind of seafood kind of meal. I think I bought that because I bought the crab cakes. And then I got my favorite Bolt House drinks. Can't go grocery shopping and don't get those. So this is a pretty mini haul compared to what I usually buy, guys, because I always get so much stuff. So now I'm going to clean the fridge and the kitchen before I get to put everything in the fridge. So for now, I'm going to just let you guys enjoy some music. I won't do much talking after this because clean the fridge, clean the kitchen, pretty basic. You guys know how that goes. So I'm going to get that done. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and share button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. And leave me a comment. I want to talk to you guys. I enjoy talking to you guys. So leave me a comment. So if you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself to you again. My name is Petagaye, and I'm the cleaning mommy. I am a wife, and I'm a mom to 2 boys. On my channel, I do a lot of cooking, decorating, cleaning, grocery hauls, anything mom life. You can definitely find it on this channel. So if that's something you like, definitely hit that subscribe button, because I love making content for you guys. So hit that subscribe button and continue to show your girl a bunch of support. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. It means so much to me. I appreciate it. And I hope you guys continue to watch and continue to support my channel. So let me be quiet now so you guys can enjoy this video with all the soothing music that I have prepared for you. So let's get into it, guys.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong.
So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Don't forget, this video is a collab with Taylor Christina, so make sure you check out her YouTube channel and check out her Instagram as well. Thank you guys for your love and support. It means so much to us. If you are coming over from her channel, thank you, I appreciate it. And if you go over to her channel coming from mine, just let her know I sent you. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.